solar-powered rose farm in Neelamangala. This farm cultivates 18,000 to 20,000 roses per day in 10 acres land. Around 100 people are employed in this farm. Plenty of water is required for watering the whole land for this cultivation through drip irrigation. Rainwater and borewell is the main source of water for this farm. For powering this process of irrigation and storage of the roses, they are using solar energy. Also, we can see that solar energy is used efficiently for generating power for lighting and security of this farm. For more inquiries related solar inverters and installation, contact 9844623344.